Hello kids, get a paper and a pen. Let us talk about divisibility rules of numbers between 2 down to 10. Let's start with 2. To find out whether a number is divisible by 2 or not, always consider the last digit. If the last digit of that number is an even number, then the entire number is divisible by 2. Example, 28. 8 is the last digit and 8 is an even number, and hence 28 is divisible by 2. What about 30? Once you realize the sum of the digit of a number is a multiple of 30, then the entire number is divisible by 30. Example, 21. 2 plus 1 is 30, and 30 is a multiple of 30. 15. 1 plus 5 is 6, and 6 is a multiple of 30. So these numbers are divisible by 30. What about 4? If the last two digits of any number are also divisible by 4, then the entire number is divisible by 4. What about 5? Any number that ends with either 0 or 5, then that number is divisible by 5. What about 6? Any number that is divisible by 2 and 3, then the number is also divisible by 6. What about 7? This one is a little bit tricky. Always take the last digit, double it, then subtract the result from the remaining digits. If what you got is also divisible by 7, then the entire number is divisible by 7. I think I have to make a special video for this. What about 8? If the last 3 digits of a number are divisible by 8, then the entire number is also divisible by 8. What about 9? Once you realize the sum of the digits of that number are multiples of 9 or divisible by 9, then we say that the entire number is also divisible by 9. What about 10? This one is the simplest one. Any number that ends with 0 is divisible by 10.